How to install Reelshot on iOS? Want to start editing with Reelshot? Here's how to install it on your iPhone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Reelshot. Once you type it in, hit search. Once you see the app in the results, check that it's the official version. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the Get button. Tap on Get button and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Wait for the app to download and install, which usually just takes a few seconds. Once installed, tap Open directly from the App Store or find Reelshot on your home screen to launch it. Have you installed it yet? Let us know how easy it was in the comments below. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS updates for the best app compatibility. And that's how you can install Reelshot on iOS. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.